Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akilusi. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Afa Shaku, one of our staff. So we are installing solar in a site here in Ife, Ile-Ife, Osun State. So that's the 4 panels before connecting them together. And after the connection, that's some of my staff. That's Pastor Tayo. That's Copper Assist. That's us while working on the site. You can see that we use rack, railings, and every other items, and some staff are on the ground. Yeah, thank you very much. That's us after installation. That's our charge controller. That's PWM charge controller. That's our marine board.
4 units of 150 watts solar panel. As you can see,
trunking pipe, our breakers, our isolators, our knife changeover switch. The inverter itself is
the charging of the inverter.
Down what you see the inverter now, that's the inverter itself. So thank you very much and God bless you.